Good morning, children. All of you open your course book page number 8. Open your course book page number 8. See here, India is surrounded by Bay of Bengal in the east, okay, Arabian Sea in the west, Himalayas in the north, and Indian Ocean in the south. India is surrounded by, there are 4 sides now. West, north, south, okay, east, Bay of Bengal. In the east, Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea in the west, Himalayas in the north, and Indian Ocean in the south. Okay, India is surrounded by, in the east, Bay of Bengal, in the west, Arabian Sea, and in the north, Himalayas, and in the south, Indian Ocean. Okay. See, first we can see about each and every landform. First one is mountain. Okay. Mountain. What is mountain? It is a landform. It is one of the landform. It is a place. It is much higher than the land around it. Mountain is a place. It is an area. It is much higher than the land around it. Okay. The highest range of mountains in the world are the Himalayas. Highest range of mountains are Himalayas. Okay. In the world, the highest range of mountains are Himalayas. Their peaks are covered with snow throughout the year. Okay, that mountain Himalayas peaks always covered with the snow throughout the year. సంవత్సరం పొడుగునా కూడా మౌంటైన్ పీక్స్ అనేవి ఐస్తో కప్పబడి ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. సియాచిన్ and Gangotri are glaciers. Okay, Gangotri and Siachen are rivers of ice. Glaciers means they are rivers of ice. Aravalli and Vindhya ranges are located in the central India. This is the India, no? In the central India, there are Aravalli and Vindhya ranges. They are located in the central India. Satpura, eastern and western Ghats are located in the south India. Okay. This is about mountains. Mountain is a place. It is much higher than the land around it. Okay. The highest range of mountains in the world are Himalayas. Highest range of mountains are Himalayas. They are covered. Their peaks are, Himalayas peaks are covered with the snow throughout the year. Okay. Their peaks are covered with the snow. Siachen and Gangotri, they are glaciers. Glacier means rivers of ice. Okay, and Aravalli and Vindhya ranges, they are located in the central India. Aravalli, Vindhya ranges. Okay, Satpura and eastern and western Ghats. Satpura, eastern and western Ghats, they are located in south India. Ante south వైపు. This is the south side, no? They are located in south India. This is north India, east India, west India. Okay. Do you understand, children? Aravalli and Vindhya ranges, they are in the center of the India. They are in the central India. Satpura, eastern Ghats and western Ghats, they are located in the south India. This is about mountains. Mountain is a place much higher than the land around it. The highest range of mountains in the world are Himalayas. They are always covered with, their peaks are covered with the snow throughout the year. Siachen and Gangotri are glaciers. Aravali and Vindhya ranges. They are located in the central India. Satpura, Eastern Ghats and the Western Ghats, they are in the South India. Next one is plateau. Come to the next page. Plateau. What is plateau? Plateau means it is a flat area higher than the land around it. Plateau is a flat area. It is higher than the land around it. Okay. The Deccan Plateau is large, making up most of the southern part of the country. Okay, this Deccan Plateau is very large. It is in the southern part of our country. Okay, and it is like an inverted triangle. All you know the triangle, no? But this Deccan Plateau is like an inverted triangle. See, this is like an Deccan Plateau is like an inverted triangle. That means triangle is, if triangle is reversed, that is called the inverted triangle. Okay, it is like an inverted triangle with Satpura range, eastern, western and eastern Ghats as its boundaries on the three sides. Kanyakumari is its southern tip. Okay, plateau means it is the flat area higher than the land around it. In plateaus, Deccan Plateau is large. Okay, Deccan Plateau is large and it is like an inverted triangle. Inverted triangle. It is in the southern part of our country. Deccan Plateau is in the south side. Okay, southern part of our country. Satpura, Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats are its boundaries. And Kanyakumari, here it is Kanyakumari. Okay, Kanyakumari is its southern tip. South side దానికి కన్యాకుమారి ఉంటుందన్నమాట. Okay, this is about plateau. What is plateau? Plateau means it is a flat area higher than the land around it. Okay, in India, Deccan Plateau is very large. Okay, it is in south side, south of our country. Okay, and it is like an inverted triangle. ట్రయాంగిల్ని ఇన్వర్ట్ చేస్తే ఎలా ఉంటుందో అలా లొకేట్ అయి ఉంటుంది అనమాట ఈ డెక్కన్ ప్లాట్యూ. అండ్ ఇట్స్ బౌండరీస్ ఆర్ సత్పురా, ఈస్టర్న్ ఘాట్స్, సత్పురా, ఈస్టర్న్ ఘాట్స్, వెస్టర్న్ ఘాట్స్ అండ్ కన్యాకుమారి ఈజ్ ఇట్స్ సదరన్ ట్రిప్. సౌత్ సైడ్ దానికి కన్యాకుమారి ఉంటుంది. డెక్కన్ ప్లాట్యూకి సౌత్ సైడ్ కన్యాకుమారి ఉంటుంది, ఈస్ట్ సైడ్ ఈస్టర్న్ ఘాట్స్, వెస్ట్ సైడ్ వెస్టర్న్ ఘాట్స్ అండ్ నార్త్ సైడ్ సత్పురా ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, దీస్ ఆర్ ది బౌండరీస్ ఆఫ్ ది డెక్కన్ ప్లాట్యూ. This is about plateau. Next one is plains. Indo-Gangetic Plain. Indo-Gangetic Plain. This is the major fertile region to the south of the Himalayas. Okay, this is green color, thick green color is there, no? This is Indo-Gangetic Plain. It is here. It is north side Himalayas are there, no? To the Himalayas, Indo-Gangetic Plain is south side. Okay, this is the major fertile region. That means that region is suitable for growing crops. Okay, it is formed due to the soil deposits laid by the rivers Indus, Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra. A variety of crops are grown here. Okay, plains means flat area suitable for crops. What are plains? Plains is a landform that are suitable for crops. It is a flat area suitable for crops. Okay, Indo-Gangetic Plain, it is south to the Himalayas. Himalayas are here. Okay, to the Himalayas, Indo-Gangetic Plain, it will be in south. Okay, and this is the fertile region. Fertile region means suitable for crop. Okay, it is formed, this Indo-Gangetic formed due to the soil laid by the rivers Indus, Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra. Okay, Indus, Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra rivers soils and మట్టి అంతా కూడా అక్కడ ఉండడం లేట్ చేయబడడం వల్ల మనకి ఈ Indo-Gangetic Plain అనేది ఏర్పడుతుంది అన్నమాట, ఏర్పడింది. This is the major fertile region to the south of the Himalayas. It is formed due to the soil deposits laid by the rivers Indus, Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra. A variety of crops are grown here. Chala రకరకాల crops అక్కడ పండిస్తారంట. Okay, this is about plain. And in the next plains are coastal plains. Coastal plains means east and west coastal plains. Okay, the narrow strip of plain that lies between the eastern Ghats and the coast of Bay of Bengal is the eastern coastal plain. See here, thick green color line it is there, no? That is narrow strip of line. It lies between the eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. Okay, and that is the eastern. This narrow strip of line is called the eastern coastal plain. Western coastal plain is a strip of land that lies between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. Okay. Eastern coastal plain is much broader. These regions are arable. Arable means suitable for growing crops. Suitable for a wide variety of crops because the rivers such as Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri flow here. Okay. In the plains, we discussed about the Indo-Gangetic plains. Next one is coastal plains. In the coastal plains, east coastal plain and the west coastal plain. East coastal plain, it is a narrow strip of land. Thick green color line. In the east side, it is there, no? That strip of land is called the eastern coastal plain. It lies between the Bay of Bengal and the eastern Ghat. Okay, this narrow strip of land that lies between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea is called the Western Coastal Plain. Okay, this Eastern Coastal Plain is broader means it is somewhat big because there more various crops will grow there. Okay, see here, because the rivers will flow this side like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, they will flow there. So here so many crops, variety of crops will grow here. Okay, this is about plains. Okay, all you understood about the plains, no? Plains means it is a landform, it is a flat area suitable for growing crops. Okay, in this we discussed about the Indo-Gangetic plain. Indo-Gangetic plain, it is south side of the Himalayas. Okay, and it is very fertile. It is formed due to the soil deposits laid by the rivers Indus, Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra. Okay, wide variety of crops will grow there in the Indo-Gangetic plain. And next one is coastal plains. That means east coastal plain, west coastal plain. East coastal plain means it is a narrow strip of land that lies between the Bay of Bengal and Eastern Ghats. Okay, and west coastal plain, it lies between the Arabian Sea and Western Ghats. Okay, it is much broader compared to the east coastal plain is much broader compared to the west coastal plain. There we can grow, they will grow the various types of crops. A wide variety of crops will grow there. Okay, why? Because there are rivers like Mahanadi, Kaveri, Ganga, Yamuna will flow there. So a wide variety of crops will grow there. Next one is desert. Desert. The Great Indian Desert, also known as the Thar Desert, lies in the northwest part of the India. Okay. The Great Indian Desert. Desert means it is a barren land. It is not suitable for crops. It is covered with the sand. It is covered with a vast area. The desert is a vast area covered with the sand. It is a barren land. It is not suitable for crop. Okay, for growing crops. The Great Indian Desert is known as the Thar Desert. Thar Desert. It lies in the northwest part of the India. That means see north here it is located. If you see in the map, you can easily identify. In between north and the west, that means in the northwest part of the India, it is located, the Thar Desert. Okay, It is a dry, unfertile, sandy region covering a vast area. This desert all we know, no? It is dry, చాలా పొడిగా ఉంటుంది, నీరు అనేది ఉండదు. Unfertile, sandy region, that means not suitable for growing crops, and it is completely vast, a very big area covered with the sand. Desert is a very big area covered with the sand. It is unfertile. It is that means it is not suitable for growing crops. It is dry. Okay, there will be no water. So it is a dry region. Okay, this is about desert. Thank you.